Yeehaw! The power companies are starting to roll through. They're coming from Alabama. Woo. Anyways, peeps, I'll give y'all a little update. As you can see, the sky is starting to turn a little on us up, look behind me. This is about a 4 o'clock video update, about 6 hours from the first one that I made this morning. But I've been seeing electric companies, Pike Electric and some Alabama company roll past here on Highway 29, coming from Alabama, heading south. As you can see, clouds behind me, that way, sunny that way, to the north. Ha Getting pretty dark around here. Slight little wind gust.
Storm is a major hurricane being category 3 or higher, and it just continues to move north. Look at that eye right there. Well put together hurricane. I mean, this thing is symmetrical, exactly what we don't want to see headed to the northern Gulf Coast, but here it is, headed right to the Florida Panhandle. So that's the satellite imagery of it.
Well, good morning to all my fellow boob tubers. Today is Wednesday, October 10th. As you know, yesterday my videos, Cat 1, Cat 2, Hurricane Michael. Well, overnight it went from a 3, now it's a 4. They're still saying northeast of Pensacola towards Panama City, Okaloosa. But the son of a bitch hasn't turned east yet, it's still going north. If it goes north, it will be more closer to the eye to us than the outer bands that we're getting. It will be hurricane. Now we're talking about possibly Cat 5. They say the eye is supposed to be on land for maybe half an hour, 45 minutes as of like now. But I'm gonna I'll take a few clips of it progressing through the night. If you're watching mine, thank you. I appreciate it. If not, go over to VV Deduct VVs. He's got updates. His are more technical, mine are more redneck. Yeehaw! But anyways, peeps, as you can see, nasty weather outside today. But yeah, I'll post a few pictures at the beginning of this or in the middle of what it looked like yesterday outside, and I'll progress it. I'll do another video this evening, which is horse shit. Is we got to cross over the Pace bridges and the Bay bridges, or go through the back roads to Quintet Road, and my wife has to go to work at Walmart. Bad thing about these bridges, if the wind gets above 39 degrees, they shut the bridges down. So I'm going to take her, blah, blah, blah. They're saying we're supposed to have gusts in Pensacola up to 77 as of now. But anyways, people, I want to give y'all an update of what's going on. Thanks for watching. And like I said, hit that dingleberry button, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll give y'all some more updates and everything. Like I said, I was off yesterday. I was corrected. 110, 120 miles, Panama City roughly. But when you got a 400-mile wide storm, I don't know. But anyways, peeps, thanks for watching. Yeehaw!